Boys, my GoPro will die. How was Kodachadri? Give your reviews.
Kodachadri was too good.
All thanks to CK. CK ke jai. CK ke jai. CK ke jai. Jaipur ko jai. Okay guys, signing off. Bye. Yeah, this is on the way to Kodachadri hills. ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ. So this is the first pathway, guys. Nice. ಆಗ್ಲಿಂದ 30 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ನಾವು ಹತ್ತೋ ಜಾಗ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಹಿಂದಲ್ಮನೆ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ಹಿಂದಲ್ಮನೆ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅದು. ಎಲ್ರ ಕಾಲಲ್ಲೂ ನೀಚ್ ಹತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡ್ತಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ವಾಚ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸು. ಇದು ಪ್ಯಾಡಿ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಸು, ಇದೊಂದು ಒಂಥರ ಚೆಕ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಟ್ರೆಕ್ಕು, ಮೈಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್. ಹಾಂ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಅಂತ ಇದು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹಿಂದಲ್ಮನೆ ಫಾಲ್ಸು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. ಸಮರ್ಥ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದಿನ ತೋರಿಸೋಣ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. ಇದೇ ಹಿಂದಲ್ಮನೆ ಫಾಲ್ಸು, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. Anisha? Sure. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಡೀತೀನಿ. ನೀನು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋ. ನಾಯಿ ಹೋಗಿನ ಜಾಗನಾ? ಅದೇ ಸತಿ ಹತ್ತಿದ್ಯೋ, ಆರಾಮ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ವೇಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ದೆಮ್ ಕಮ್. ನೈಸ್ ಒನ್ ರೇ, ಕಮ್ ಆನ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್, ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. Nice one, Anish. Bani sir. Nice one, Anisha. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Yeah, guys, we are almost at the top. No, we are not at the top. Halfway. There is my wife going, and that is the path that we came from. ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವರೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೈಡು. ಕಮಾನ್ ಡಾಗೆ, ಕಮಾನ್ ರಾಜಾ. ಅದೇನಾ ಸರ್? ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದೆ ಜಿಪ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕು? ಅದಾ? Very close to the viewpoint, the final destination. But this is the world famous Kodachadri jeep trail. You can see all the jeeps coming from this end. It comes from this direction. This is where the famous Galipata movie was shot. You guys are getting a good look at it. That's it. We have stopped for a small snack break. Stay here for the night, but I'm not sure. We are actually going to the sunset point now. The time is around 3:45. We had a heavy lunch and the sunset point. Trekking after lunch is always difficult. Not just trekking, doing anything after lunch is very difficult. Except sleeping. Agad nodle bada. Careful, so. Be on your right. Adi Shankaracharya in meditation. Camera, it's a recording video now. Say hi. Welcome. Nice guys. Start. Nana. ठीक है जय जय जय. Boys, my GoPro will die. How was Kodachadri? Give your reviews.
You have to tell.
Give your reviews. Camera is there.
Are you ready for? Oh yeah, Kodachadri was
too good.
Anish reviews.
About the best trek I have done. Can't say anything. It was wonderful experience.
All thanks to CK. CK ke jai.
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 Nange sir ke jai.
Jaipur ko jai. Okay guys, signing off. Bye. And for the last time, enjoy this.
Hello you guys, hope you enjoyed our trek. I dropped in here to share some more details. Kodachadri is the highest peak in Shimoga district. It is a 7-kilometer hike to the peak which takes about 5 to 7 hours depending on your speed. We took an overnight bus from Bangalore to Sampekatte. We had booked Akshaya Homestay which was about 70 kilometers from the bus stop, so we hired a jeep to reach there. Another good option would be to take a direct bus to Kollur and then get to the trek starting point. After witnessing the amazing sunset from the peak, we climbed down till the jeep parking. Our guide had informed the homestay to send a jeep for us, which made it even more convenient. One-way jeep costs about 300 to 400 per person. The ride back was in complete darkness and very bumpy. It took a toll on our backs. Next day we visited the Sharavathi backwaters. You can also visit Nagara Fort and Kollur Mookambike Temple. If you are looking for an adventurous weekend trip on a budget, then this is a great option. If you enjoyed watching the video, please like and share the video. For any additional details, let us know in the comment section below. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching.